How's it going, guys? Davey here from PhoneBuff.com, and in this video I'll be talking about the recent report by the Wall Street Journal which tells us how Google is planning to change the way they go about launching the newest version of their Android OS, this time being dubbed as Jellybean 5.0. So basically what Google is going to be doing differently this time around is, instead of working with just one manufacturer exclusively like it's done in the past with HTC with the Nexus One and Samsung with the Nexus S and more recently the Samsung Galaxy Nexus, they're going to be working with multiple manufacturers at the same time, building multiple Nexus devices. Now, this is still very much a rumor. It's just a report from the Wall Street Journal. Although they have a pretty good track record with their rumors, I can't say for sure if it's 100% accurate. Anyways, it would make a lot of sense if it were, because one, it would lead to manufacturers releasing updates a lot quicker than they normally would if they do build a Nexus device. And the reason for that is, with Ice Cream Sandwich, for example, only Samsung had access to the Ice Cream Sandwich's code. That's why it's been 6 months now since Ice Cream Sandwich came out, and most devices out there don't have Ice Cream Sandwich, other than a few that launched with Ice Cream Sandwich, like the HTC One series, and a few Samsung devices have gotten the update. But other than that, for the most part, most phones are still in gingerbread, and obviously 5 or 6 months down the line, you want most Android phones to be updated to the latest version, like they would be on iOS and on a Windows phone. And obviously that has to do with Android's fragmentation, and I think having multiple manufacturers working on a Nexus device would lead to faster update times. So that would take care of the fragmentation issue for Google. Another thing is it'll also get rid of that concern that people have about Google buying Motorola. Thinking that it would give Motorola an unfair advantage. If you're giving everyone early access to the code for the next version of the OS, obviously you're letting everybody compete in the market. And another thing is, for Google, it'll help them control their apps more, because with the new Nexus phones, what they'll be doing is selling it directly on Google Play like they do the Galaxy Nexus. So this guy's only $400 on the Google Play Store, and I imagine the Galaxy or the next Nexus devices, or set of Nexus devices, will be similarly priced, maybe a little bit higher when it's new, but pretty much you'll be cutting out the middleman, so lower prices for consumers to get an unlocked phone. But more importantly for Google, they'll be able to control the apps that actually come on the phone. So for example, on Verizon, the Galaxy Nexus doesn't have a Google Wallet. Obviously there's a workaround for that, but the average consumer isn't going to go through the hassle of doing the workaround, and they're going to end up using Verizon's version of that payment gateway, NFC payment gateway. And obviously Google wants you to use their version as they get paid for it. So anyways, that's another advantage for Google. For us, it'd be multiple Nexus devices. Can't really complain about that. I mean, that sounds really exciting, being able to get different models to look at for that pure Android experience that's always going to be updated to the latest version of the OS. That's pretty much it for me in this video. I just wanted to let you guys know about the news, and hopefully this rumor turns out to be true, because I would definitely love to see multiple Nexus devices, and obviously I think everybody would appreciate getting faster updates on Android. Alright, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. Actually, I think it's over here. Anyways, hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to visit PhoneBuff.com for more cell phone news, reviews, and how-tos. Thank you.